Every decision in your garden depends on one thing: accurate plant knowledge. The crop library is where that knowledge lives. This is not about what you have planted. It is about how plants behave. Before anything goes into the ground, GrowTrack already understands the crop. Each crop entry contains structured growing data: planting spacing, row spacing, planting depth, minimum soil temperature, days to maturity, frost tolerance, sowing methods and indoor lead time. This information is active. It drives the system. When you add a crop to a bed, spacing is applied automatically. GrowTrack already knows how much room the plant needs. No guessing, no repeated measuring, no mental maths. Scroll further and the crop library adds protection and context. Companion planting, what supports growth, what causes conflict, common pests, likely diseases. This shifts gardening from reaction to awareness. GrowTrack understands pressure points before problems appear. Varieties add precision. Crops defines the rules. Varieties refine them. Different growth speeds, different tolerances, different harvest outcomes. You can grow the same crop multiple ways without breaking the system. The crop library is fully editable. If you grow something uncommon, if your climate behaves differently, and if your experience proves otherwise, you update the data. GrowTrack adapts to how you garden, not the other way around. Most users rarely open the crop library directly. That's intentional. You experience it though. Consistency, spacing feels right, tasks appear on time, advice stays stable, nothing feels random. Rowan relies on the crop library as the source of plant truth. When you ask Rowan a question, Rowan starts with crop behaviour, then applies it to your garden, your beds, your timing. This keeps guidance grounded and reliable. The crop library is the knowledge layer behind every planting decision.